Hi guys! So, today me, Bonnie, and Gray are going to be doing the forest walk. So, there was a huge forest right there. You guys probably never seen that before, but we just upgraded it, so we got a forest. So, this is our first time having the forest. We will have the forest for the rest of the channel. Let's go. Yeah! What a nice day watching TV. I love my home. This is the great place to live. Buddy wet! Buddy wet! Okay, who's at my door? Oh, it's Bonnie. I heard Bonnie's voice. Hi, Bonnie. What is it? I'm right at the door. Wait, let's go on a forest walk. Okay, Bonnie, I guess so. How long will we be there? We will be there tonight and tomorrow night, and then we will come back. We will go back tomorrow night. So we will sleep here, eat here, only for like 1 or 2 days. Okay, Bonnie, I'm in. Did you get Gray already? Yes, I did. I grabbed him like a minute ago. Great. Yes, you arrived! But wait a second, where is the forest? Gray, how do you not know? Go right at your door and look forward. Okay, I'm right at my door. Oh, you're right. There's a huge forest here. Where did this even come from? I do not know. Wait, what is that thing I see in the distance? Should we go to it? Is anyone living here? No. Nobody. Is this a free house? Wait a second. This is a house? Where did this come from? I never knew we had a little hut. Yeah, I guess this is like the forest is kind of our bit of a backyard, and this is our little hut house. Yeah. Let's continue building. Why am I a girl? Oh yeah, I changed my avatar to a girl a long time ago. I have no idea why. Bonnie, what are you even trying to say? Oh, key. The blue bed is for me. You get a blue bed. Such a lame color. Bonnie, why are you liking the same color as Ruff? Not like me. I kinda actually like a lighter gray than Bonnie. His gray is too dark. That's disgusting. Are you kidding me? This is the best place in the universe. Everyone should be. Oh, guys, stop arguing with each other. Oh man, I thought I was going to be bad again. Bonnie, you make no sense. What do you mean? I thought I bought 5,000 Robux for you. Bonnie, what the heck are you trying to say? I regret showing up. Bro, that was not funny at all. Don't cry, baby. Can you stop saying that, you annoying baby prince? Bonnie, that's not even my name. How about we get brown beds? Brown is a dirty color. I do not care. I'm still giving you brown bed. The disrespect. Oh, Bonnie, we are not having a gray, blue, or light gray house. Going to add a window. Stop acting stupid, you idiot. Bonnie, can you please stop? Oh, man! Bonnie, be quiet. We're going to have a brown house. Brown is is a dirty color. I do not care. I guess it is okay, but it's even worse than blue. It is actually way better than blue. Excuse me, Bonnie. I'll call the police. No! The door just changed, Bonnie. I just fixed it. What? Why do you have that? I hate you. Bone! Ah! Well, this is our house. Is it already getting dark? Yeah. It's not really that dark. This is a good forest. It is getting dark. Oops, my bad. Oh, wow. This is a very cool forest. Oh, Momo! Bonnie, what the frick was that supposed to be? Bonnie, are you going to be silent or what? Oh, okay, fine. I'll ignore you. Yay, a princess! Bonnie, you're a little too sus to enjoy the member. Goodbye. Wait, what? No! Can you please stop making a stupid building house? Excuse me. This is not stupid. This is beautiful. Kyle Wetron, calm. What are you trying to say right now, bro? Ew, wow. We got the high view. So preppy. Stop, Bonnie, you're too sus. Oh. We also have a little bit of tree. Can you please be quiet for once, you dummy? Ugh, so rude of you. I'm just kidding. I did not get hurt. Bonnie, do not joke about that. I thought you were actually hurt. Oopsie. Oh, I thought it freaking ugly. Oh, what a nice day. Why are you placing these, buddy? What? I just woke up to some little disaster. Bonnie, I'll make it a house design. Make it fit like a forest view. Okay, I guess stupidly ugly, annoying big fatty. Oh my gosh, Bonnie is so rude. I hate you. I'm just kidding. Jesus, elephant, Kelamatet. Okay, well, I should just add it. Where's the lamp? Okay, here it is. Stupidly annoying, ugly elephant. Stop crying, I'm just joking. Okay. The heck are you doing, fatty? Oh my gosh, Bonnie is so rude. I hate you. I am kidding. You scared me for a second, youngy buggy boy. Bucky boy. Wow, look at your house! This is actually some cool design you've got. Destroy him. No, I don't really think so. No. No zombies. Stop waiting until nighttime to creep out some people. Stupid. Oh my god. Stop going under some stuff. No. Well, you fight the stupid zombies. No. 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 I forgot I was recording. Ah! Annoying zombies! Okay. What the hell are you even trying to do there? Ah! What the? Oh, whoa, whoa. Ah! Hexagon. What are you even trying to do? What did he? Stop trying to hurt yourself! Wah. You're so cringe. I hate you. Stop it, Bone. Stupid. Moni, it's time to head home very soon. I can see my blue house over there. Yeah, right. Like it's even close to nighttime. Moni, it's like 5 p.m. Oh, you're right. What's yourself a longer walk? The sun is going down. I don't show it. I will blow it. I will blow a blow. I will blow a blow. What are you even trying to say? I think you're trying to say is disgusting. Oh, bladder. Ah! Bodie, calm down. I just said batter, not bull. Oh. I heard you say blah. Bonnie, I said ba, a ball, baller. Oh, okay, just okay. Ah, wow. Such a nice play. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. And I gotta say, stop. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. When is it nighttime? I am very hungry. When can we head home? Later. Let's just head home now. Wait, what? It's getting kind of late anyway. No, the door shut. Well, it doesn't seem too late right now. We are home. That was a nice walk. Yeah, that was such amazing. Now I'm going to grab like 15 cookies because I never ate it in a little bit. Well, time for cookies. Okay, well, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow around like 4 or 5 or maybe 6 p.m. on Friday. Today's Thursday, and happy early weekend. And also happy early Halloween. And the sun is setting already. Wow. Well, that's it for today, guys. Bye. Bye. Wee. Okay, let me try that again. That wasn't really good. Yeah. Okay. Wee. Oh my gosh, I keep on making bad ones. Hold on. Bonnie, will stop laughing like that. Okay, wee! Oh my gosh. Wee!